Today we make one of our slim boxes that can hold your jewelry like this, and as we were saying, they are very easy to be used for posting. They look very nice. This is 250 grams of the double-sided papers. Sometimes they are called designer papers. And they are 12 inches by 12 inches. So let's have one of them like this one. Okay. So here we have our 12 by 12 paper, and we need to trim two sizes of a card. So the first one is 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. So let's find in inches. 5 3/4 is here. So let's cut this one first. And now we look for a 5 3/4. The bottom lead is 5 5/8 by 5 5/8. And it would be like this: 1 2 3 4 5. And the other side as 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, not too much to cut, but that would make the difference when the boxes will overlap. Okay, and this one. And now we know that the smaller one would be the bottom. Okay. Now you have to decide which side you want to be showing and which one you want to be inside, and you are going to do the scoring on the wrong side. So let's say that we want to keep this one as top, so we are going to score on the opposite side. This one is the top. Being the top, we score at half an inch, 1 1/8, so 1 and 1 line, 4 5/8, 4 and 1 2 3 4 5, and 5 1/4. So and what is left will be 5 3/4. We turn 90 degrees and we do the same scoring. Half an inch, 1 1/8, 4 5/8, 4 and 1 2 3 4 5, 5 1/4, okay, and this is the top. And for the bottom lid, we have scoring at half an inch, 1 1/8, 4 1/2, 5 1/8, so 5 in the first line, and now we rotate and do the same scoring, so 1/2 inch, 1 and 1 line, so 1 1/8, 4 1/2, and the last scoring line at 5 1/8. And here we have our scored papers. Now we fold the papers along the scoring lines. As this card is thicker, we really need to make sure that they have a sharp edge. Okay, and the second. Now let's cut the flaps so we form the box. Here we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have to cut. The first cut that we make will be here. The second cut on this line up to the bottom of the box. The third one, we take this off, and the fourth one here. And let's do it together. The first cut on the second line, like this. The second cut goes up to the second line, on the second line. Now we take off this, and the fourth one here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the last one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Absolutely the same type of cutting on the other lid. 1, 2, so up to the second. We trim around this flap, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the last one, 2, 3, and 4. And here we have our lids. Now we put some glue on the flaps. We can use the double-sided tape, or I think even the liquid glue would work. And we have one. And we take the backing paper off. And now we form the box. And we do it by lift the side, fold the small flap in, lift the other one, and make sure that the corners are okay. Hold the corner here and fold the flap, the small flap in. The other side goes up. We hold it like that and fold the small flap in, lift the other side, okay, flap in, lift the other side, make sure that here we have them correctly aligned, fold down and glue, and at the end press again to make sure that they are correctly glued. And here we have one. Let's do the second one. And lift, flap in, lift, and hold, and now fold over, lift, fold, lift, and again okay, and here we have them. Do like this and you have your absolutely lovely, very professionally looking box. So if for these boxes you will use the double-sided papers, a few days ago I bought this one, so 24 sheets for £3 at the works, and just have a look at how pretty they are. So imagine having your jewelry packaged in one of the boxes with these lovely paper designs that I believe would, let me find one, would beat anything like this. So just look at this. This one versus this one. Which one would you choose as a customer? So I think I made my case. Have fun making your own packaging. Thank you for watching.